And now we look at India's economic report card for June 2024 as released by the Reserve Bank of India. We'll explore the global economic landscape and its impact on India. Take a look.
In its June 2024 bulletin, the Reserve Bank of India highlights key economic trends. Global growth remained resilient in the first quarter of 2024, prompting many central banks, including the European Central Bank and the Swiss National Bank, to adopt less restrictive monetary policies as inflation decreased. However, the Bank of England maintains a hawkish stance, aligning with the Federal Reserve and plans to initiate rate cuts by year-end. In India, real GDP growth for the first quarter of 2024-25 aligns with previous quarters. The early arrival of the southwest monsoon has improved agricultural prospects, while headline inflation is gradually easing despite concerns over volatile food prices. RBI's bulletin on financial stocks and flow of funds reveals that households and financial corporations continue to be surplus sectors, offsetting the deficits of non-financial corporations. The economy borrowed more than it lent due to increased demands for goods and services, even as banks reduced lending and both businesses and households opted to save or invest elsewhere. The net financial wealth of the domestic sector moderated to 29.8% of GDP by the end of March 2022. The bulletin also marks the 60th anniversary of India's deposit insurance system, celebrating significant milestones such as enhanced coverage, faster settlements, revised premiums, and increased depositor awareness. Post-global financial crisis, there has been a broader spread and coverage of deposit insurance worldwide. The RBI notes that India's deposit insurance system has kept pace with global trends. Looking ahead, the reserve ratio, the minimum amount of money banks must hold in reserve, is expected to steadily increase, ensuring greater financial stability in the banking sector. Business Bureau, WION World is One.